squash militant. I put some, I'm not gonna put all. Okay. I put some in there. But if you wash your hand, you can touch your food. Especially when you marinated your meat, you should touch it if you like. Just wash your hand. Oh, don't touch it. No, I don't even listen to that. Okay. This is cabbage. This is moringa. But also you can use watercress. I don't have watercress, and since I have the moringa tree, I do not buy it anymore. And this is healthy. This is healthier than watercress, and this is very nutritious. So you can do that. And I have carrots. I sliced it. I'm just gonna put some, okay? About half of the cabbage and about the carrots. This is two whole carrots and maybe some of the moringa. I'm gonna put all of it right here. Okay. Not prepared now. I'm gonna put 1 cube of Maggi. Little salt and some oil because you wanna be able to hear it when it's dried up. So that's how you're gonna know it's ready. Now I have one. This I don't know how much it could be like maybe 16 ounces of water. So you're gonna need about 30 ounces of water. It's maybe 16, maybe less. So you're gonna need about 32 ounces of water, 30 ounces of water, 30 ounces of water. Okay. Add a pinch of salt. A pinch. That should do it. You can have an all-purpose seasoned salt. Blah blah blah. If you'd like, let me just put it a little bit, and then you just put the rest of the karate. Plastic bag. Cover it. You can turn the fire on if you'd like at this time. All my food, I make most of my food are cooked as the old-fashioned way. I don't adapt because some of the food I make, you know, they're trying to make Haitian food cook faster. And yes, you may cook it faster. What happened? The food doesn't taste good. The food doesn't taste good because it's just like, comme on dit ça, vous flambez manger ya. It's almost 2 hours. gonna take the meat out. The meat and the seafood that's in it. I have a bowl full of soap. Just go in because we have a lot of water, but I still need to put water on wine. The wine I don't know I feel in that and I know it's cooked thoroughly. So this is really good. This is really good. I'm gonna come back when I finish blending because I do blend it. I don't want to like keep on doing that. It's gonna take me forever. Once it's dry, I'll just blend it, but not too fine. It's just roughly blended. Okay, I'll be back. Tomato paste. One cup of water and then pour again. 1 cube of Maggi. And I'm gonna put one whole pepper in it.